We're here to discuss the tourist attractions, local cuisines, and festivals of Region 9, the Zamboanga Peninsula in the Philippines. Region 9 is the Zamboanga Peninsula region in the Philippines. Located on the island of Mindanao, it is an administrative region composed of the provinces of Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, and Zamboanga Sibugay. Let's talk about first the province of Zamboanga del Norte and its tourist attractions. We have Linabok Peak, a scenic viewpoint offering panoramic view of mountains and valleys, popular for hiking and nature photography. The Rizal Shrine in the Pitan City, the historic house where Dr. Jose Rizal lived in exile from 1892 to 1896. It showcases his legacy in art, medicines, and community work. Dipolog Sunset Boulevard, a waterfront promenade in Dipolog City known for its stunning sunset views, perfect for relaxing, dining, or taking a stroll. Let's move on to their local cuisines. First, we have Coracha, a specialty of Zamboanga City. This steamed sea crab is cooked in a rich coconut milk sauce or almidra sauce with spices. Next, we have moron and binake. Moron is a sweet sticky rice cake or suman mixed with chocolate or peanuts, wrapped in banana leaves and steamed. Binaki is a steamed corn pudding made with grated corn, sugar, and coconut milk, often sold as a snack. They also have sati, a flavorful skewered meat, chicken or beef, served with a spicy peanut-based sauce and rice, a popular breakfast in Zamboanga. Now let's talk about their festivals. First, we have Saulog Festival. Celebrates the city founding anniversary or Hermosa festivals, showcasing culture, food, music, and the iconic Venta or both parade in the rivers. They also have El Turo Festival in Isabela City, Basilan. Honors the city's cattle racing heritage, features bull racing, rodeos, and local food fairs. And lastly, they have Hodiaka Festival in Dipolog City, a vibrant celebration of the city's founding with street dancing, parades, and cultural performances highlighting the local arts and traditions.
Good day, everyone. I am Angel Naranaha, and today I will be presenting information about Zamboanga del Sur, a province located in Zamboanga Peninsula region of the Philippines. The province of Zamboanga del Sur have one component city, which is the Pagadian City, and 26 municipalities. As of the 2020 census, Zamboanga del Sur has an estimated population of around 1 million people. So here are some of the attractions in Zamboanga del Sur. First is Timulan Protected Landscape. It is a designated protected area in Zamboanga del Sur, known for its rich biodiversity and stunning natural beauty. The mountain offers activities such as hiking and bird watching, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts. Its conservation is vital for preserving ecosystem and protecting water resource for local communities. The second attraction is Dao Dao Island. Located off the coast of Pagadian City, is famous for its pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. The island features crystal clear waters and colorful coral reefs, attracting snorkelers and divers. The third attraction is Candace Cave. Candace Cave is a fascinating natural formation that attracts both adventure seekers and nature lovers. The cave features impressive stalactites and stalagmites, providing an exciting experience for those who love spelunking and exploring underground wonders. So next is delicacies of Zamboanga del Sur. First, daral. This is a traditional sweet delicacy made from rice flour and coconut milk. It is often wrapped in banana leaves and steamed, resulting in a delicious treat that locals enjoy during special occasions. The second one is panyam. It is another local delicacy made from glutinous rice. It is usually served with different fillings, such as sweetened coconut or chocolate, making it a favorite snack among residents. The third one is dayok. This dish is made from fresh fish, marinated in vinegar and spices. It's usually grilled or fried and served with rice. Dayok is popular among locals and visitors alike for its unique flavor and freshness. So Zamboanga del Sur has a festival called Megayon Festival. This festival is celebrated annual in Pagadian City to promote unity among the different ethnic groups in the area. It features street dancing, cultural presentation, and various competitions showcasing local talents. The Megayon Festival highlights the rich cultural heritage of Zamboanga del Sur and fosters camaraderie among its residents.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramanjan Vinala and this is my report. Major tourist attraction in April, Zamboanga Sibugay include significant landmarks and natural sites like the April Rotundas Obelisk, the provincial capital complex, and local waterfalls. Here are some of the notable attractions in around April. April Rotunda Obelisk, a prominent 10-story high stone obelisk that serves as a tribute to the lives lost during the 1995 attack on April, and features the province name written by in Baybayin, an ancient Filipino script. Zamboanga Sibugay Provincial Capital located on a hill. The provincial capital has a distinct palace-like design inspired by local Sabanean and Muslim cultures, and the area offers good opportunities for sightseeing over the surrounding region. Stone Hill Farms, a 10 hectares hilltop property located a short distance south of April, offering outdoor dining with views of expansive hills, forests, Bugay Bay, and Bulaan Island. The cottages are available for overnight stay. Waterfalls. The municipality of April is home to several majestic waterfalls including Tagbilat, Dalisay, Tugop, Muslim, Kubakob, Gootok, Malangandis, Pasay, and Palina Falls, which is are notable inland tourist destination within the province. Ipil, as the capital of Zamboanga Sibugay, is best known for the annual Sibug-Sibug Festival, a week-long celebration of the province founding that takes place in February, while specific tourist attraction, cousins, and delicacies for April are not detailed in the provided results. The broader region is known for local products such as fruits, coconut, coffee, cacao, and root crops, as well as commercial industry like garment and concrete products.